Hip flexion. Grab your ankle cuff, make sure the lever arm is all the way to the bottom, and the second one is level. Adjust your weight, place your ankle cuff on, attach it to the cable with the carabiner. Make sure you have a chair and a pole nearby for assistance. Standing up, for reference, the cable is on my right foot. My right foot is back, left foot is forward, pole in my left hand. Eyes and hips forward, shoulders square. Bring your knee up, position it back behind your body. Now the leg without the cable is soft. I don't want you hinging forward and back and rocking from your hips. Your hip stays square to the front as your knee comes up. Now you will shift a little bit, and that's okay. I just don't want you rocking and getting into your low back. Keep doing the movement as directed. Hip flexion.